Lakshmi, by popular demand, we have Lakshmi here on stage.
30s 40s la வேண்டாம் அப்போ 80s
70s. I think you sing previous songs, right?
I chose to.
Okay, anything is okay.
Anything is okay. Hope I don't bore you.
No, two songs.
Two. Okay. காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம், கலைகளிலே அவள் ஓவியம், மாதங்களில் அவள் மார்கழி, மலர்களிலே அவள் மல்லிகை. காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம், பறவைகளில் அவள் மணிப்புறா, பாடல்களில் அவள் தாலாட்டு. ஓ ஓ பறவைகளில் அவள் மணிப்புறா, பாடல்களில் அவள் தாலாட்டு. கனிகளிலே அவள் மாங்கனி, கனிகளிலே அவள் மாங்கனி, காற்றினிலே அவள் தென்றல். காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம், கலைகளிலே அவள் ஓவியம், மாதங்களில் அவள் மார்கழி, மலர்களிலே அவள் மல்லிகை. Maybe something similar. Hope I don't bore you further.
Closer to mic.
Of same ages. Okay. Perhaps I start from somewhere in the middle of the song.
Yeah, closer to mic.
Okay. தூறல் போடும் இந்நேரம் தோளில் சாய்ந்தால் போதும், சாரல் பாடும் சங்கீதம் கால்கள் தாளம் போடும். தெளிந்த பிறகு திரைகள் எதற்கு, நனைந்த பிறகு நாணம் எதற்கு, மார்பில் சாயும் போது தென்றல் வந்து என்னை தொடும். ஆர்க்கம் இன்றி முத்தம் இடும். பகலே போய்விடு, இரவே பாய்கொடு, நிலவே பன்னீரை தூவி ஓய்விடு, தென்றல் வந்து என்னை தொடும். ஆஹா, சத்தம் இன்றி முத்தம் இடும்.
Lakshmi, you really took us back to our Vellore Engineering College days. Amazing, amazing, melodious, melodious, superb. Now we have one future automobile stalwart going to come and address us. That is Neha Balasundaram. Can I invite her on stage, please?
Hi everyone. It's been really cool coming here because I'm going to go to VIT in like a week, and I'm just looking at people who have come out of the college, and it's exciting, it's scary because I have to keep up the reputation because all of you all are such amazing people who graduated from this college, and it raises the bar for me, and I have to work really hard. And I learned that, as my father told when he initially came to VIT, it was just some small place with few teachers, not much faculty, not many amenities, but you guys actually made use of what you had, and you actually worked even harder than all the other colleges, all the students everywhere else, and that's really cool, and it inspires me to do the same thing. and I consider myself really blessed because VIT is a really reputed institution now, and to go in, it'll be it'll be really bad if I don't make use of it. So thanks for giving me that message today, and yeah, I'm definitely going to try to make my dad proud. My dad's like this role model to me. He's so perfect and ideal and all that. Like even when he spoke, I didn't see him preparing. It just comes from him because he actually does what he says, and it's he doesn't even have to prepare because he just has to say what he does because he's so perfect. I'm not like boasting, but yeah. Okay, thank you.
Generation is actually making us feel proud because they are sincere. No doubt we were sincere, but to see the next generation more sincere and honest is really making us feel proud. Thanks so much. Now we just heard that Narendra Modi has taken time off his busy schedule to attend this meeting because he heard that Vectors are having their first meeting after 28 years. So Narendra Modi is here. May I request Modi sir on the stage, please.
Good afternoon, friends. நான் சும்மா ஒரு லோனாவாலா அந்த மியூசியம் போயிருந்தேன் ஆக்சுவலாக, மேக்ஸ் மியூசியம். அது கூட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இன்வைட்டட் மீ, ஸோ ஐ வெண்ட். எல்லாம் அவன் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்தான். நான் சும்மா ஒருத்தன் கையை இட்டிட்டு அப்படின்னு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துட்டான். சரின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதை வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் போட்டது ரொம்ப பெருசாகி போச்சு. அது ஏடா போட்டுன்னு ஆகி போச்சு. வரவன் போகிறவெல்லாம். பட் இட்ஸ் really I enjoyed it, but today program is really very nice. I appreciate the core team. ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணாங்க, சாப்பாடு நல்லா இருந்தது, எல்லோரும் நல்லா பேசுனீங்க. பட் எனக்கு அந்தளவுக்கு பேச தெரியாது. எஸ்பெஷலி சாம்பு, பரத் அண்ட் சுக்கூர் வெரி and Safalas guitar really very good, and Invaraj and everybody, Janaki. I think we are here mainly because of Janaki. I really admire, I appreciate, I inspired a lot. Thank you so much. I think we need to do some this kind of a very really creative thing actually. So he has connected the people. So I am very proud to be a part of Vectors actually. So thank you so much. I will not take more time. Thank you so much. Bye.
Dr. Shenoy. Now if I have to tell something about Dr. Shenoy, நாங்கெல்லாம் வந்து if we are in between jobs, we will be jobless. But this man, he is in between jobs and he says, I teach at the University of Mexico, I keep flying here and now. அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு டாக்டர். அந்த டாக்டரை வந்து இப்போ நாங்கள் வந்து we are asking him to speak a few words. Welcome Dr. D. Shenoy. அவருக்கு ஷீ நாய் என்று பெயர் உண்டு.
Guys, the risk is yours. You tell me. That too many small children here. You want me to speak in Tamil? No problem. I can speak that. Right. No, let me not do that. It's going to be embarrassing to lots of people. But anyway, I'm really happy that I'm here today in front of so many people. I've tried to meet lots of. I'm a regular in the VIT alumni functions every 26th January. Unfortunately, I have not been able to meet so many of you at that time because my visits have been very short. Anyway, so yes, I am a teacher, and you know what I thought? I'm going to narrate an incident that happened to me, and we were all part of it. I just want you. I'm going to start by asking you a question. I'm going to narrate that incident, and you have to tell me who the person in question is. All right? All right. So it's like this. We were in the 7th semester mechanical engineering those days, and we had already shifted to the new campus. And you know, those days we had a subject called control systems, yeah, which we understood nothing about. And you know, there was one person from Sri Lanka who was actually teaching us. I forget the name of that gentleman, but right, okay, he used to come Right. So anyway, I just know that. But control system, I can't even spell these days, right? So that it's so difficult. So what really happened is it was 7 semester examinations, and we were being transshipped from a hostel to the university, which is where VIT stands now. So there was one person who was sitting next to me in the bus, and he was asking me lots of questions. He said, "Hey, na padikkalada, edume padikala ni sollu, edadu important irundha sollu." So I was telling him all the important ones. All right. So he was asking me. He was turning all the pages of that Ogata control system through Ogata book, and he was turning all the pages. And now, as I speak, that person is looking at me. He's staring at me. All right. So you have to tell me what really happened after that. Is we reached the campus. The bell rang. We went inside, and this person who I was teaching, not teaching really, but actually telling the important ones that might appear in the examination, that person was missing from the examination hall. He had already disappeared. All right. And he had gone back to the hostel. So you know who this person was? Or is? Yeah. Mr. Abdul Sukurdin. All right, so he was that guy he asked me so many questions. I forgot what I was supposed to study, and all that went for a waste. Anyway, systems engineering, control systems. What was that for? I told you, I even forget the name of that. Right. Anyway.
He was staring at you because he was telling a subject name.
Right. Okay. Staring at me. Right. Okay. Anyway, that's fine, guys. So I must tell you that I've been really very fortunate to be with you guys. I don't know whether it's a coincidence, but every time I go, I find at least one person from the VEC gang, not the VIT, from the VEC gang, either our batch or the juniors or a couple of years juniors to us. They are always with us. Now, to give you an example, what happened really is after the BE, I went on to do my masters, and Uppili and I decided that we're going to join PhD Tech. All right. So we paid the fees, and on the day of induction, I was seated there waiting for Uppili to come, but Uppili never reached there. All right. So later on, 1 hour later, I went in search of Uppili. Uppili was standing in the queue for refunds. He was like wanting to leave, right? I said, and I had already lost my admission there, because once you take admission in a college, you can't really go to any other college. So I thought I'll cut every part of Uppili's, you know what I mean? But no, I meant his tail. Right? Okay. So, but then that was the time I really had my intention to kill Uppili. But unfortunately, I've not been able to meet that guy for the last several days. I've been trying to call him for last 1 month. I've tried my best to call him, but I've not been able to. I've left a couple of messages on his phone, but he's not, returned the call. Yeah, right. No, that's really what happened when I was in PhD Tech. But luckily for me, there was Venkat Hariprasad, who was my neighbor, who was working in Coimbatore, and he was actually my partner in all the cricket matches that we used to play in the college. So that way I spent about 1.5 years. Those days MTech was only about 1.5 years. So I had a very good time, thanks to Venkat Hariprasad. He's not here, I'm told.
தமிழ் ஆர்வம் கொண்ட மக்களுக்காக இப்பொழுது முரளி ஒரு சிறு கவிதை பேசுவார். ப்ளீஸ் முரளி.
கவிதை துளிகள். மழையை பற்றி ஒரு கவிதை. வானத்திற்கு பூமி மேல் காதல் மழை. அப்புறம் காதலை பற்றி ஒரு கவிதை. யாரோ யாரோ யார் மனதில் யாரோ. அப்புறம் இன்னொரு கவிதை. காதலிக்காதவர்களிடம்தான் காதல் பத்திரமாக இருக்கிறது. ஒரு கவிதை. காதலிக்காதவர்களிடம்தான் காதல் பத்திரமாக இருக்கிறது. அடுத்த கவிதை. அடுத்த பண்டிகைக்கு யாருக்கோ இரையாகி போகிறோம் என்பதை மறந்து தொழுவத்தில் துள்ளி குதித்து விளையாடும் ஆடுகள். அடுத்த கவிதை. மகனுக்கு பன்னாட்டு வங்கியில் வேலை, மகளுக்கு அரசாங்க வேலை, பெற்றோர் இருப்பது முதியோர் இல்லம்.
On popular demand, may we request Radhika and Prasanna Lakshmi to come on stage, please.
Me about funny events.
Which funny events you remember I could talk about? Anything come to your mind?
Mic is not working.
Mine is working, yeah.
No, it's not working. It's not working. It's off. Talk about the most wonderful person you met. At VIP.
That is very funny. So, I don't know, my is working or not. I don't know. My voice is loud enough. So, one funny thing I could talk about is Suresh, my best friend. Has he gone? So, Abdullah from college time, there's no transportation, you know. We had to wait till the school finishes, till the bus comes. So, there are times I want to go home early, cut the class. So, he'll say, I'll give you a ride on my bicycle. So, என்ன பண்ணுவான் அந்த ரோட்ல எனக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போயாலும் ஊருக்காரங்க பார்த்துருவாங்க வயக்காட்டுல அப்படியே கொண்டு போய் பின்பக்கம் இறக்கி drop me off behind my house in somebody's wild valley and then he'll say அப்படியே ரத்து பண்ணா ஓடுவாங்க ரொம்ப அமைதியாச்சு but now when I think of it, it was funny. So, anything else, someone else, any funny events happen, I can elaborate if you tell me. Other than that, very pleasant memories. We had a great 4 years. That's why we made an effort to come because we discussed, Prem and I will never have an opportunity like this to meet all of you. Thank you for all of you.
About your work, about your current work.
Current work?
Yeah.
I work in the healthcare system. I switched my profession. So I work in health information management. So I manage the statistics for the healthcare. So it's tied to engineering. A lot of analysis is done. A lot of mathematics. But it's not engineering. And that's about it. I have 2 kids. They are all grown up now. Other than that, nothing. We have a very quiet life.
Where are you now?
We live in Canada. And anybody want send their kids to Canada, please, we are there. We'll be more than happy to help you. I'm happy to say 2 of the next generation is coming to us this August. So we're looking forward to hosting that. If any of your kids are interested in their degrees, masters, contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Okay? Good. We have 2 sons coming now, but daughter is going to come. I have 2 kids, but I'd love to have more kids. Okay? All right. Thank you.
Explaining that it was very tough situation. Luckily, I didn't bring my kids because I used to tell them the best part of my life was when I was doing my engineering. Those 4 years, I always say it's golden period for me. It was true, yeah, that's what. I used to tell them that in your college days, you have to enjoy whatever is the facility available. Like my daughter is doing her BTech in NIT Jaipur. Probably the college was constructed in 1970s. So very bad infrastructure. You have to share the bathroom because she is from Muscat. Naturally, there our facilities are very good and we enjoy always in air conditioning. Now she is carrying her bucket to the bathroom, washing her own clothes. That time she used to always say, "Why you put me here? I want to come back." But we had a very bad thing in our college, no? Like we didn't have infrastructure. I remember, I used to. What I mean to say, I remember that we used to jump over the wall with a thatched roof. But still, I enjoyed. That's what I'm telling. I never felt that it was bad. Even now, I always recall that. Whenever she says something, I used to say my college days were very good. Otherwise, life is going on well. With that college only, I got a job and I was working in NPC in India. Until 2006, I was working. Later, for 6 months, I was in L&T. There, I was again getting in contact with Chandran. Last 10 years, I'm in Middle East. Presently, I'm working in Muscat, PDO, Oman. It's again a government company. Going on well. There is nothing special as it is. Thank you.